This is the most airport outfit ever. I'm finally Doha man, and this is the airport. It's so busy at like 5 in the morning. It's so bright. PGI turns 10. Just come down from the floor that I can't afford anything in to the basement floor. And I guess I can finally afford some things like water or, Asian food. You know how in Singapore we have like a Western store and then they just have like Italian food, Greek food, American food, just together? I guess this is how it looks like to them. They literally have ramen miso, bao buns, wonton, rice, and then they have curry, pad thai, biryani. It's like everything Asian. Asian style. It doesn't even make sense, but I was looking for food and everything here was quite expensive. But I saw my beer bag, KFC, and they have Burger King as well. Not sure if you can see that, but I love going to different countries and trying their fast food. On to the next. Yeah, not sure why. So I have the diet of a 5-year-old child, so I'm going to get chicken tenders, mozzarella sticks, or chicken fries, or onion rings. One of the. So I got both the chicken fries and the onion rings, and it's bizarre because it's 44 Qatari riyal, which is like 15 Sing dollars, and that's just crazy. It's like I could have just bought 2 meals in Singapore with that cost. Did work on the flight and doing work on the airport now too.